What's going on, guys? My name is Gamesbond and today I'm playing some domination. We've got one side. I will probably oh, that's a good point. Right, guys, we're gonna be right back in this second. Right, guys, we're back. I've just died trying to get it all sorted. Sorry. They've got now a power core. Right, we're doing a pistol only challenge. Me and AD&BG. Oh, you're joking. Oh, I'll probably do. But you know what? I destroyed the raps. It killed me.
Make sure you say that if you want to see the first half. Yeah.
If you want to see the first half, that'll be on. That'll be. Well, you would have probably already seen it though, because it will be on.
Yeah. I am using the Marshall 16.
Yeah. They've got raps. I'm using the RK5 pistol. They've got a power core.
Do you know where the power core is?
Yeah, it's in the middle of the map. Oh my god.
First of all, I'm just making sure. Can they actually hear me?
Yeah, it's sitting right on my computer.
Yeah, but is it on
Loudspeaker,
loudspeaker? Yeah. Okay, I just want to say that. Might be in the stand. Oh, I was actually going to say. You would have seen my rolling thunder I got was amazing. I don't know. I think I killed their whole team. I mean, more than once. And they dropped me more rats. Oh my god. Oh! Oh yeah,
Oh, please. I whip out my annihilator. Oh yeah, what carrot, sorry.
We definitely will have gameplay of the new DLC map, the Eclipse DLC. I'm so excited.
Wow. And there will be some Zetsubo no Shima gameplay coming out on the channel at some point. Whether it will just be me or it will be me and AD&BG. AD&BG is another question.
Yes, it will be. It will be me. I'm definitely saying that new map.
Zetsubo no Shima, boys.
And Reed is terrible.
Well, it's our first game. We'll complain about it. The reason why, have you seen our team?
Yeah.
No, it's not that you had brilliant upgrades. It's that we had 3 people on our team and you had like 6.
Yeah, and you actually can see masters that worth it.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
How long is this recording being going on for?
2 minutes.
Oh, that round was a lot quicker than the first round. Do you want to sneak in a game of TDM?
No, probably should play a game of Dom or something.
No, I don't really want to play domination. Yeah, okay.
Right, okay guys, we're going to play Kill Confed. Are we doing the pistol only thing?
Nah.
Right, so guys, we're just keeping on the...
Daniel, just edit this all out. There's no point showing it.
Guys, so we're back. We're playing on Skyjack to Kill Confirmed. There's 3 of us using the Annihilator on our team. And then there's 1 Ripper. When I first used... I couldn't use the Ripper. I just couldn't use the Ripper.
Okay, time to use Scooter.
KN time, boys. And there is a best class set up for the Cuda on our channel, if I remember rightly. You did that yesterday. Oh, I died. Yep. I don't care. Yeah, I hope so, unless you've uploaded it somewhere else.
No, I can't select the tag. I'm taking the front page.
Oh my god. My 6th sense was going off. Like, left, right and centre, so... Get out of my way, yeah. Yeah. Right, so guys, You nicked me kill.
Sorry. Well, you didn't start shooting at him.
Yeah, I was biting them. So I was starting to, and then you were like, nope. Get out of my way, I'm trying to kill this guy now. Oh my god. We're winning with 11. Yeah.
Good. Getting these wins so we can do a side replacement. 10 rest for side options winning 75 games and the guaranteed weapon.
Bribe. Yeah, but I want to know how many people have got a gun out of it. Barely any people, probably. Because, like, everyone I've known has got a melee weapon out of it.
You know, but people do get guns. But then, my friend, he got the SFR, he got two weapons he got two of them in the 10 rares, and he got he got a weapon in the one where you guarantee, so he got three. He's lucky. And I get probably the worst weapon in the worst tie dot weapon, which is Fleming's the Carver. Not good.
That was a waste of a...
Oh! I almost got my dart. Is he ready? Oh, let's see it again. Okay. Calling in my care package.
Wow. They should buff the Shadow Claw or whatever you call it, bro.
You mean nah?
Oh yeah, no. It's too OP.
It's already really OP.
No, I'm just saying. I picked up the Shadow Claw. Friendly Cerberus. Where the hell was he? Up there, of course he was. Double kill with the Annihilator, fam.
We're trying to move your range. Oh, yes, they are! Come on. Come on. No, why was the SFR? Wow.
Oh.
Yes, please not. Oh my god, someone's Guardian in my way. No, not Guardian, Cerberus. That's got a waste fucking way. No! Wow! Get in my dart. Come on. Oh, UAV.
Well, I'm concentrating, I'm barely talking. Wow. Look how lucky he is. That he managed just to turn around and hit me. God. Wow. I want to play zombies after this, because I've got half an hour till I have to come off. Lucky him. He managed to kill me. Yeah, I got a kill. Which might actually be good. For once. Sometimes it's not good to get kills, I don't know why.
What?
Sometimes apparently it's not the best idea to get a kill. Or something like that. Oh yes, someone's...
Why would take that there, John?
I'm killed by a brekkie guy.
Yeah, so that's rats amazing.
Right, I'm gonna quickly just grab some care package. But I'm so happy. Right, have we still got UAV?
And they got counter UAV. Yes, rats.
Oh, we've got a counter UAV now.
Alright, well, please get rid of there. Send me that.
Get me a UAV overwatch.
Come on,
I risked my life. I hope you're glad I risked my life for a tag.
well, we won, yay!
Have you seen my score? I did positive on a video.
Remember, Daddy, you said you were terrible at quiz, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, you are negative and you just passed it. Okay, I think that's it. So,
Yeah, that's it, guys. Oh, yeah. Right, okay, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Right, see you guys next time. Goodbye.
I don't think